If you're looking to close your Zapier account, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. I'll show you exactly where to click, how to confirm your identity, and how to finish the deletion safely so you don't miss anything important. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Zapier in your browser and sign in to the account you want to close. Once you're logged in, look to the top area of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Zapier keeps your account and profile options, so it's the first place you need to go when you want to manage your account settings. After you open the profile menu, click Settings. This will take you into the main settings page for your Zapier account. From here, you can manage your personal preferences, account details, and security options. Since we're trying to close the account, the next step is to find the section related to security and account data. Now select Security and Data. This section is important because it contains the options related to your account privacy, access, and deletion settings. Once you're inside this area, scroll carefully until you find the Delete My Account option. Depending on the layout, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it, so take your time and make sure you're on the right page. When you see Delete My Account, click it. Zapier will likely ask you to verify that you really want to continue, because deleting an account is a permanent action. This is the point where you should pause and make sure you're ready, especially if you have active Zaps, connected apps, or any data you want to save before closing the account. Next, click Confirm It's You. This step is Zapier's way of making sure the request is coming from the actual account owner. You may be asked to enter your password or complete another authentication method, depending on how your account is secured. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and complete whatever verification is required. Once the verification is done, continue following the prompts until you reach the final confirmation screen. Review everything one last time, then confirm the account deletion. After you submit the confirmation, Zapier will begin the process of closing your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to close your Zapier account step by step. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.